here we go. Last hole. That's it. It's out.
Hey YouTube, Jeremy with Gas Holes Garage, and
I'm Pat. Welcome back.
so we're getting into some screwed up shit today, aren't we, Pat?
Yep. Gas Holes Garage. You're going to see how and why this came off. Some of you may recognize it. You did it the right
Looks
way.
upside down to me.
Well, so is the car sometimes. This is not in the location it's supposed to be. And yeah, it's in pretty bad shape. So you can see just from, look at the inside, previous repairs were done, a bunch of shoddy welding. This is a lot of fiberglass in here, rust holes. This, you know, from a previous episode was all rusted out, so that was already previously cut from us. And yeah, this corner here is gone. That corner is obviously gone. And then if you turn and look at the car, that's what we're left with at the end of today's episode. So yeah, it's pretty tore up. And you can see, you know, these corners here aren't supposed to look like this. This is supposed to come out a little more. That corner over there is gone. This whole piece. The trunk drop off, the whole back like inch and a half is fiberglass with rust holes coming through. So yeah, stay tuned and please remember to like, share, follow, and subscribe, and tell a friend. Now I'll show.
Come on, Pat. There we go. So back in the day, people, cars were made with a bunch of shitty shit called lead. That's how you get rid of it. Melt it the frick off, huh, Pat?
Yep.
Get it out. Get some melt right now. Then it lands on your floor, and then you have to clean it up.
Get away. Ooh, watch out.
You don't want boiling hot lead falling on them?
No.
Now you can see the lead start to fall onto the floor. Wow. Right now, Pat is trying to burn the house down. And we're probably taking 10 years off our life. That was the big quick. Something didn't like that shit. Now there's about 50 million spot welds to drill out. So right now I'm going through the arduous task of drilling out all the spot welds. And he's going back through and trying to separate all the panels. Is it as fun as it looks, Pat?
Yep. Sure is.
There's only like 10 on this whole thing, right? Yeah. 10,000 maybe, but it's not fun, but it's what you gotta do.
So much this corner.
So me and Pat have been playing, yoga for a little while here?
Unconnected dots.
And you can see how many damn freaking rivets are on this thing. They're all over, or spot welds, sorry. That were on this thing, they are all over the place just to get this one little piece off the car. But you know, at least we don't have all this in the way.
It's almost there. It is almost off.
Little more work, and this panel will be off.
All right, well, we got most of the spot welds drilled out. We got these corners right here to do, and that's about it. This is all broke loose. We got it while the car was upside down. So these are all drilled out, ready to go. And then probably another 15 or 20 spot welds right in here, and we should be good.
As evidenced by the ground, we've been doing tons of shit. That's all come up from our grinding, chewing, and screwing this thing up. Here we go.
Yay. All right, here we go. Last hole. That's it. It's out. What was that, 8 drill bits later and 2 hours? Not too bad.
How many holes you got here?
All of them. Let's go ahead and pull that wire out.
All that, all this. this shit.
Yeah, there's
Jesus.
there's probably like 150 holes, and they went crazy up in here. These are held on very well. Now you can see some of the sins on the panel. Yeah, and all this. There was fiberglass braces holding this thing on. And unfortunately, we're not going to weld it on today because somebody, meaning me, is working nights, and I didn't get a chance to pick up more weld-through primer, and we used it all the other day. Yeah, it's going to need a little work here and there. Not too bad. Piece is missing. Piece is gone.
So if anybody needs a vintage, 72 Duster, rear section, we have one for sale.
Wall art.
Slightly used,
Wall art. Cool.
Guess that's it for that.
Yeah, that's it for that.
Well, people, today didn't completely go as planned, but
Yeah, Boo Boo the rust sniffing dog pointed out some more areas to clear out here. And this was all fiberglass, like I was saying earlier. That's not supposed to be there like that. So the trunk drop off needs to be fixed. And then this whole lip has got fiberglass and rust and everything else in it. So yeah, got a lot of work to do.
aren't you happy with your project?
Oh yeah. I knew it was gonna be fun.
No.
Not this one.
Rust is the gift that keeps on giving, people.
Boo Boo, is there any more rust? Where's the rust?
He'll sniff it out.
Where's the rust, huh? No, don't go that way. We're done up there. There better not be no more. What do you think, buddy? You gonna help me put this panel on? Not today? Definitely not today. So all this still has to be ground down, cleaned up, and fill some holes that we may or may not have drilled all the way through. Not a big deal. Clean it all up, hit it with some weld-through primer, and then we can start going back together finally, hopefully, maybe, possibly.
This thing has fought us today, fought us and fought us and fought us, but we got it. We didn't get it done, but at least we got it taken apart. So next time we can get it put back together. As always, please like, tag, share, and follow, and have a good day.
And we'll see you next time.
Thanks for watching. Please get money to St. Jude. Bye.